If you look closely, you'll see that this device is already a bit dirty. That's because I've already tested it at work. I've already worked with it. So far, I'm very satisfied. What I have here in my hands is a support handle. You really need this when you have to drill intense forces, for example, bolts and the like, because you need extra grip. This device also has an anti-return valve. So when you're drilling a heavy bolt and it hits, that force doesn't hit your wrist. It has enhanced security, and I'm glad to hear that, because we're going to need these wrists for a long time. First, I start with 4x40 screws. Then we'll move on to something bigger. Next, we'll handle this large bolt. And we're going to drill a hole with 38 millimeters. After that, we'll drill a hole with this hole saw. This one is quite blunt. So we're going to put it under stress and see how it reacts. It still smells good, but I wonder if it'll start to smell like a burnt barbecue soon. Let's get started. Okay, then we'll start with the 4x40 screw first, but I believe so. Let's switch to position 2. It drills nicely. I knew it would drill well. Well, it breezes through. We're now going a bit larger. I'm going to screw these two boxes together. Wow. It breezed through. All right, next boy. This hefty boy. It breezes through, man. It's so strong that my mouth guard broke. Well, that's lovely then, isn't it? That turned out to be a nice turret. I'm going to secure it with the glue climb. I'm going to put that handle on it because otherwise... But wrists, right? Okay. I have it on setting 2. Sorry, on position 1. There. Oh, look, that's the anti-recoil thing. Look. There. Ho, ho, ho. Yes, this thing is powerful. No joke. Wow, it's hot. Like this. So we're going to try this one. I'm going to drill it into some foam. So I don't drill through my table. I'm going to put it on setting 2 first. Let's see what it does. No, it really needs to be on setting 2. Okay, will this be that anti-recoil? Because I noticed that it doesn't have that much strength. That is the anti-kickback.
Yes, it's real. Okay. It's through. Yes, that anti-kickback protection works really well since it really stops on time. Neat, huh? I just get pushed against the table. This thing is a beast, man. Okay, let's see how it does with my battery. 3 more lines, so I still have power. Well, I can't get it any further than this. But this is also a really big bolt, you know. We're going to drill a hole and see what it does. I'm going to put it on position 2. only problem. It's almost fun to drill. I don't think that thing blows very well at all, man. Look, I put a lamp in it. I'm already thinking things aren't going well here. Well, yes. No talking. Okay, well, nice. Can it back? Thanks, it is. To be honest, it doesn't have that much trouble with it. Sometimes it stops for a moment. I don't know now whether it has too little power or whether the anti-kickback protection is activating. Anyway, how often do you have to drill a hole like this? I'm very impressed.
No, you won't get hit. No, that's all right. I'm thinking all the time, you know. I'm going to call some good professionals that I work with. I'll just go there, I'll bring the machine, the beam, and some screws. I'm going to have them screwed in, and I'm going to hide the brand. I'm going to put stickers on it so they don't know what brand it is. That way they won't drill in a biased way. I'm very curious whether they will also be impressed. I called Abdu. He was out doing some shopping. We agreed to meet here. Abdu is on his way. He was doing some shopping at Albert Heijn. Oh, there he is. Abdu, come on. You're right on time. You okay, man? Abdu, I have a device here, and I don't... Unknown brand. It's a new model, and all I want you to do for me is turn 2 screws, this long screw and a bolt, and then I want to know from you, what do you think? Is it strong enough or is it no good? I think it's not good. Okay, next boy. Strong, isn't it? Really? What do you think the brand is? I don't know. Hilti? Milwaukee? Kevin is a real professional, a real carpenter, truly skilled.
Man, hart en nieren.
I'm Kev, I'm a professional. You've got that on the linker hand.
Oh, you can twist it.
Yeah. Wow, good. Ja.
Ja.
Oké, zo ik denk het niet Skil is. Oh, wow.
Strong, hè?
Oh, ja.
Je ziet de anti... ja.
Goed, mooi. Een nieuw beetje.
Yes. Oh, I don't have that.
Okay.
Okay, man.
Stopped.
No. You're joking.
Bijna.
Bijna. Was dat de anti-terugslagklep? De beveiliging?
Ja.
Ja.
Ja. Oh.
De broke.
De
Wow.
gereedschap is broken, maar niet dit. Ik ken hem. Nee.
Ja.
Je neemt die. Ik doe die.
Hij is gewoon... Zo sterk is dat apparaat, hè? Dat ding is gewoon kapot gegaan.
En kijk eens.
Ja, perfect, man.
Skil.
Skill! They have the skills!
They do. Wow. Ruthless.
Ja.
XP.
XP.
Extra power.
Hier, 149.
Very good, man.
One accu, two accu's.
20 volt. Okay. That is good.
Is good hè, for this price. Kevin,
Very good.
je mag hem hebben. It's yours.
Nice.
Ja,
Ja?
ja, it's yours man.
Oh, thanks very much.
Ja.
Cheers, man.